and regular
Yeah.
Site audit, quality audit,
Yeah. Site quality.
quality inspection.
Yeah. Quality inspection, or within bracket you can write RFI. Request for inspection. In that RFI, we have to attach the latest
RFI is
documents.
right. Very good.
Yeah.
That means you have answered me.
Yeah.
Now I want to know the document control procedure number and EDGR.
Yeah. Farhan sir, can you give
Yes.
me only the number of two deliverable? One is called the document control procedure. Another
Okay,
is
sir.
the EDDR. EDDR number.
Okay, sir.
Do you have?
EDDR. Okay, I will just 1 minute. Let me check.
EDGR system.
Sir, is my screen is visible to you, or you are not able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible, I think.
Yes, sir.
Very
Now you see the evidence reference, two items, blue color. One is document control procedure का document
Yes,
by
sir.
exception मुझे चाहिए, and
Okay.
EDR का number चाहिए. बस इतना ही.
I will share shortly. I will share.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think thank you very
can
much.
Chat to me, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will share in the chat box.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. So I think we have done up to 3 objectives. Now we can go for the lunch break.
Yeah.
Then we'll start what time? At 1:15.
Yeah.
Right?
Thank